We begin with developing news after the Office of the Inspector General released a new report accusing Mayor Tim Keller's administration of misusing COVID federal grant money for child care for bonuses to high-ranking employees. Now a city councilor is calling for a federal investigation. News 13's Gabe Chavez has the report and what the mayor has to say. Gabe?
Jessica, the Inspector General's report points out federal money meant to help child care providers also went to more than 27 city workers' bonuses, which ranged from almost $4,000 to $22,000 bonuses. Back in 2021, during the COVID pandemic, the city applied for 21 federal grants to help facilities that offered early childhood education. City Council approved. But a new Office of Inspector General report states out of almost $9 million, almost $288,000 went to big bonuses to city workers who were not qualified providers or worked at a child care center, including 2 bonuses totaling almost $20,000 to a fiscal manager who makes $97,000 a year. A deputy director whose annual salary is $123,000 received a $10,000 bonus. The report points out 5 of the city salaries were double what preschooler staff make, who the funding was meant for. In employee interviews during the Inspector General's investigation, employees stated the bonuses were for recruitment and retention and couldn't give a formula of how they decided how much to pay each employee or who would get a bonus. In response to the OIG report, the city mentions they will reevaluate funding applications in the future and who is eligible for them, but does stand by the payments, saying the grant was, quote, to compensate employees performing essential work during the COVID-19 public health emergency. The Keller administration goes on to say, once again, the OIG is submitting subjective opinions that were unanimously rejected by her own oversight committee. The oversight committee says they didn't approve the report because they found the OIG lacked sufficient jurisdiction to investigate some of the allegations. That's why tonight, City Council President Dan Lewis said in a statement he is referring this investigation to the U.S. Attorney due to the allegations of federal crimes by misusing federal funds. He went on to say these funds approved by the City Council were intended exclusively for early childhood programs as outlined in the grant's description. Others included on the bonus list, payroll supervisors and senior accountants. Employees told the IG it was an oversight when they gave the deputy director, who made more than $123,000, a $10,000 bonus, but they didn't have to pay it back. Back to you.